Wanna come back? Wanna not leave me out? I clean my spectacles. So I'm not going out. I may not go out. I don't have no bookings tonight. I don't need to come book me. I'm telling you, put use of me. Put me to use. Hello, Real Crazy. Good night. Wow. I just come home and just tidy. Not real bad, tidy. Wash and wipe. Wipe. You know it goes. And feel fresh and nice. Hey, I look good to see. And I'm a nightie, my pajama. Where am I going? Bed. What, baby? You good?
Yeah.
Oh, what's up? I'm alive. Oh, sweet you.
You find your glasses?
Yes, boy. Bedrock and pillar jam. You don't invite me out now. You don't want to pay up the good up queen. You don't need to pay out on birthday party, anniversary, engagement. What? Why not treat the queen so bad? Why you not treating? Do a classmate? Queenie, do a class here. I don't know. You're late. Is he classing me all over again? Excuse me. Is it the same class in our news? Yeah, SK. Is it the same classing or a new classing? The one couple hours ago. Well, all in I forgot to help me shame. Help me fret, help me ball. Can't me take my body Caesar though. Ema? No, Queenie had to tell me not lie. Every week, something different to that. I never buy it. I never pray for it. I never ask it. And it happened. What should I just do? Just said, fuck that. Edit. Long time him did a run. Run. I know him a run. And he's not going to win a righteous ever road come. Righteous. Ha! Poor me Queenie. I love Queenie though. Queenie have good eye hopes and faith, I don't know no other girl like Queenie talking truth. Queenie fool. I said Queenie are the biggest idiot I know upon God. But eh? Yeah. Queenie big and full and nice, man. It's sweeter than the ear, the look of that voice note them, don't. Fuck her, It's sweet me to and it bun me to see anything it do to me, it do me to. But life goes the fuck. I'm blending one at sweet daughter. It's sweet because my granny always said, bless my mother when you're Marvi. She said, all who here can feel. Maybe tomorrow I'm do it again and again and again. You know much man I doing the same thing and worse? Me just a prime, proud, low, disgraceful, awful example to speak for you lot that's hiding it and afraid to put your hands up. Someone will never hear. Don't cry. No, yes, me just put on my go here, girl, me not cry. Cry for what? Colleen, let me tell you something. I just said to do it, so do it. You know why I love myself? Me no remember Colleen, Me no remember Colleen look like I just her name remember. I right here, so I sit down the day I come from Jamaica. This around, me know doing now maybe 2 months. Yeah. After me never want to do it though me never want him. So me now look on the way I show off. Show off to him get me, I don't know what to do. Anyway, so I come back from Jamaica now after Scary Berry and I meet Dewey. Me take Dewey and then the next 10 days I come back to England. So I fling up Dewey picture. So the fling up Dewey picture and said Jamaica did sweet but him sweet me more. I said, them I know me take do it now and start class me. Remember it. So when them start class me now and get on top of me, I class them back for do it. Them time that me not engage it to them, a girl go in the phone, I will never get to a man for murder and class and all and listen to my story. So, me they right in that bed and them a class me and me a class back them backside. And I call do you hear my show about me? I call him 2 o'clock at night. What the fuck you thinking me there with you? I'm there a friend I call you. I tell me about you want to sleep. Where the fuck up and chat to me? Anyway, so story time, listen. So when him call me now, I say, Colleen said this and Colleen said that. I say, I hear what Colleen say. Colleen done me now. So I just said to him, say, then do it. Oh, Colleen done me, and me put up Colleen picture and you go back and done me. So for Colleen, I never take Colleen. Then if you did take Colleen, if you not get no pussy off of Colleen, you do me so. Then suppose you did take Colleen. Then suppose you get Colleen pussy. Colleen, they are a good girl. Bumbo, I saw my husband do you with me. I want to sit down and see me animal live good and nice. So I say, enough more girl have things for and do it. Yeah, it's sweet, me. You know, like me, I tell you, what through my miserable, you take my frightened over your cocky. I know you're cocky, my frightened over, do it. I love you, I miss the things quick and fast. Because you think with your cocky as what every man do. And to me see it quick and fast, my always I say, do it, be aware. Them girls don't want you, and me, they want you a stone pan. Because them see me strong and mighty. And I go out with myself. It's true, so they don't want to do it. You're not busy to do it. You're just tickling and do it, pussy clot ears. You don't think I'm an idiot? My name is not idiot. I will have an idiot. As much as you know I laugh at here, do it done me. Do it eat. Queenie, do it eat you. I say go baby. Me love him. That's a film eat business. We can't work with film bomber clot out heavy. And now I forgive him. I forgive him for everything what him do me. You understand? Plus, me remember Colleen. This is almost 2 years ago. So when he made me play the voice note now, I hear Colleen. I say, Colleen Brighty, you take her. I say, no, he used to fuck her friend. So I say, I saw she deal with me. Oh, my pussy chop out also. What if I sit Colleen say? What you me bad and terrible now with this dash up Colleen? So Colleen now, remember chat Queenie, speak your truth, because your background no bomber clock. That's why I got make your mother have one pitney. My mother now disown me. I learned she tired of me. My mother will never disown me. That lady, bless her. Anyway, so, how am I reached? Queenie can't chat here. Yeah. So, because I put up Colleen vex. I mean, and if I Colleen black do it or do it black Colleen. So when we're married, so this happened like in maybe November. So we're married in a March. Do it said to me, crazy. Look how I live for say. How much people are vexing me and they deal with me. Reach out and tell me say. Then glad say I'm married. So I say, oh, him say Colleen. Either him did black Colleen or Colleen did black him. But I not put no mind to it. I say, that's goody. Somebody said them remember. But remember me putting up Colleen because Colleen disrespect me to do it on her vice versa. You see we do it, do it sit down and entertain every girl we done me. But remember I'm going to do it in the back, so it work both ways. You understand? So tuning not famous and not hear about for them something them, but the whole I want to get class in card. Me tell in a long time. So do we have one drunk over tear dead meat here and oh, she wicked to do it and she abused do it and she this and she that. I show my body awful and terrible blood clot. Do we can't do me certain things. So when I sit down there I laugh and think me's an idiot. Me's not an idiot. If I choose to be an idiot, I will choose to be because I want to, but me not stupid. But life goes the fuck on. So, putting up the girl now. You know, I put her up on my done vet now, I take her down, so I remember her. So, after the marriage now, at that time, she reached back out to him, I don't know what me to do him. And then I look about him done, Colleen don't even visit to do it, tell him, so she just have that for receipt. Like enough more girl who have receipts. When they're ready, in a throat them pussy clot. Fuck at you. No boy no have no this receipt for me or no girl. You hear that? Me is as raw as authentic as you see what you fucking get. You understand me? Move on a dirty blood clot. You don't have to tell me if do it this me or not. Me not dumb. Me is mommy firstborn, very smart, very clever, very intelligent, very wise. You understand me? Sometime you give a you dash your all for new. Life is a journey, baby. No one can live it for me. You just pray for me on yourself. Me alright. You see, you know what? ER report, entertainment report when Anthony Miller asked me say, when me say my relationship go, when me say, my mother say, Queenie, my love when my mother called me Queenie, said nobody called me Queenie like sweet like my mother and my kids them. My love when my mom said, Queenie, the sweetest part of the interview, she used one big word, like should I say, and a spontaneous and an exclusive. She said the sweetest part of the interview are when the man asks you. I said, whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. And the man helped me sing it. Anthony Miller didn't finish it. Him say, K, Sarah, Sarah. So listen. Me's going to be a living legend, a walking dead legend. And so when I dead, that's when I'm 93. Or maybe I get extra time to 103. And I go remember me. You see that journey here? Come here, so then what is now? Every minute is something different, so then I what's all that I saw for my marriage go missus, then I feel me one. I have to just grab it up and I say, Bumbo clot, see me? You would barely say to it. But I say, what? Do you have something you say about me? But remember a long time them right power and sight, you know, and say, do it chat me. And them hear the voice out and then I send it to her Queenie, I go cuss them. All them listen to the voice out, we still cussing a film save. It's truth. I am who I am. Look for my powers. This part of wake up. You don't like me find the engagement video? And this morning me just put it up. And me say, me just work with my energy and my spirit. I don't give a fuck what do what I say. And the 1,422 people, I don't give a fuck what I say. So my heart say, might be a fool for my heart. Me not be fool for none of our heart. Dewey is the one who have the problem, so you have to deal with it. You just have to sit again and say, they could have say it's so nice and beautiful, and that you get. But the strongest soldiers always get the hardest fight. So because some Radam! So what? My crime too, I love my husband and him chat me and done me so. I don't crime, I just life. My phone I just hide it and I'm not brave. And it's true, I love myself. Here and I say, oh, put yourself first. Then if I never love myself first, you think, when would I say I start talk to them? Would I know and shame and I can't bother shame again. I get Caesar to shame. I grab me, I go find out all of them something I forgot before they grab you. It's so much something more Queenie don't cry. Why you force me for cry, top girl? Why? You know me give a cry for free. Don't beg any crying. Do not beg me to cry. Beg it, cry, beg it, cry. Stop it. I will not cry. Me alright, man. I say go. Hey, some man more dirty and nasty more than man. Ain't it? It's true. I will all know it. You have some brother and some cousin and some uncle and some grandfather dirty and me always telling them. Fuck out, you know. I'm so wicked to do it. And let's have a couple of clot them. A good kid, my bad and awful. Go and leave me with my pussy clot upside it. He'll angry ride my rage. He'll angry ride my rage. He'll angry and a queen lady and Dewey and a queen lady. Everywhere me go, them just such a Dewey. You know, so I'm great and powerful and I idiot. My words, my mouth, my voice, powerful. Nothing can break me. I'm not going to break because my voice, I'll do it chat me 100 times, I still have the voice right here, sir. But, me don't know what Colleen accomplished out there. That's very nice, you know, Colleen. Because it just going to make me stronger and smarter and wiser. You just highlight me to the next level. Everywhere me go, them just a shout out, do it, genuine vibes. I don't know like man have to you know say all the baby them a sing it. One man to me good day. That I do it, make a girl step to me. If she bad, she must see want end up in a body bag. Me not trouble, not a body. I me no walk with me goodie pa me forehead. Girl I run down me husband kuya. And when you check it, she a weird dirty bag. You know what me have, I just that. You see a man for chatting and class. And for one, don't even have a man for even acknowledging the master class. And so the marriage come with a disgrace. Ah! Queenie, your ball for come live. My ball? What do you mean? What are you saying to me, darling? Maybe tomorrow I go drop down and ball, but not tonight, girl. Right now my body freeze. Fuck that. You just gonna keep fuck that through Friday yesterday. Him say to you know. So I fuck that Friday. You know I help my ball? I went say about my pum pum. I don't remember. I say I get so much in fuck out of my pussy. I went say again. Me hear them. Me nah Caan style. Me no Caan style. Caan can't style it. Caan just make me more interested. Cause everybody I want to know if I go drop down, if I go put out Dowey, if Dowey go put me out, if Dowey go run away. Caan just keep me trending. You know how that? My business, you know. I just want to get my fucking Grammy and go do some music and get some producer for come book me for the movie. You know, just come fucking use, fuck off and leave me alone. Me not hiding and shame. Wanna leave me, huh? You know what, you hear me now this, I go through this before, do it? You think I do it alone as man class, me? I just do it coming at this and when I can't, sweet me. Maybe tomorrow I'm doing the same thing because I'm stubborn. That's a do it business, not for me. No bumper wall boy can't style Queenie. You hear that? I have no pussy clot. But the difference is, you know, I said, do it? You see, for my disgrace is yours. Huh? I can't help you now. No little bit of foot, boy. No better foot. Go ahead. Don't mind blood clot you with your nice exclusive foot. Good luck to you all your foot. 7 brothers, 7 different man. I'm busy doing your good life. Me have to talk about my dirty life for me. Of course, it God give me. I don't mean give it to God. So God knows that I can't manage a dirty life. No girl or no boy can't style me. As much as do you talk right now, do you supposed to feel fuck up in itself. I said that me really say. A life, baby. We all said fucking things we're not supposed to say after we hear it. Sometimes we don't remember. That's like good no modern. One time, maybe if you've never heard to me, I say I like calling and tell Pammy mother say that. We go me diggle, we go me that. Where is Queenie husband? Now that me tell her calling, you just wake up at my page. You idiot. Don't mind you calling. My Dan fee billboard call me, you see. My business, you know. When I go like on a bomber clad critics out. You know, if I went me telling them I want 8 embarrass you, General. Thank you. I'm glad that I take the embarrassment for me. That's so nice. I feel good, man. My ball too much and cuss too much. Bomber clad, fuck that. Don't want to shame for me and ball for me. You've been disrespectful all the relationship. Ima, look. They have to just think about the nice part I went there. What are you idiot? Who don't care with me though? Who don't know me? From a little bit, I know I'm mad over myself. So you see if me come and mad over here, you know I'm mad over me. I say, you're idiot, but nice and sweet. My business to do, I don't know the use of me. Move your dirty blood clot. Your life careless like my one. That's why you're there over here, Robert Marshall. If you never careless, you would have listened to my story. It interests you. So you know you can't talk about fear. You're careless just like them. Anybody over here so a class me any negative thing and I eat too. That's why I now watch. Me a hot girl. Me is that girl and I see my ball to come. Me still there. And I get more beautiful and the problem is make me get prettier younger. Queenie, I'm mad. But I always fucking mad. You hear that? And me say crazy. You can't chat to me. I'm full of chat. And me say crazy. Crazy. Sky say crazy. Bad man never lazy. Never fucking lazy. Words can't fucking break me. Remember that. Do it can't break me. Do it right now. No same stifling blood clots. If secure Kali, tell Kali, well, I'm sorry. And you not tell me blood clots, sorry. You understand? That's how life go. Some people have to take care of it, they take care. You have some people, you give them food and them no near me, and then got people here, then near me, you look on them and you say, but me cook that, give them and them no eat it. I say, God, tomorrow something different I got happen. Somebody I get shoot, something dead, pregnancy, something. Something is gonna happen. Everything I'm at this, go ahead. When I go like when I never go through no madness. Leave me alone. My son have to come book me and mine. Me buy the 800-pound shoes. I want all the handbag feet now and the belt. Fuck that, my thing raise up. Enough for mine, my man. Come book me with my nice energy. And stop glad I rejoice. Queenie a ball already. Cause me too calm. Maybe tomorrow I go ball. No man, my ball too much for me tell I ball. My malice balling. You say for yesterday name, fuck that Friday. You understand? Fuck that Friday. Me can't bother ball and so we make a ball and cuss now. We can't take back that device. But remember from before a man come and got him class me, you know. You never hear him say no one come. Him not frightened for England. Him not frightened for him England idiot. You cannot frightened for England, me frightened for England. I'm afraid someone make him come. I'm feel rich and proud. Yeah, I'm a good, nice, great energy. I'm a love, my pure love. I'm not him frightened, I'm me frightened, but I'm telling her all the time. It's alright. Everybody serve them little purpose at some little time, so I have that for all I'm panning. Don't stop fret over me, I fret over on the raw self. When the eyeglass last and I cannot find it. I never hear that, Queenie. I will never hear. And that 21, what you not talk about? Or the voice note? And that 21 for listen to it? How much voice note you no listen? All of that. Why no listen out my business? And I could tell him so I don't want to hear. I make King mix up and get no views. Hey, that's supposed to sweet King mix up when him get it. I say, yes, I get this one and do it. I could have turn and stay so. I could have covered it up for me. Me I want a reason. Him want baby. My business with him and him baby we want. I want him get the 100 baby there with him say what. Me look like, you know, yeah, me say me a hot girl. Me not have no fucking time for baby. Me I tour the world and endorse my career. Me can't help when I do it and the baby. No go and go breed up. I met the baby them pan, hey, fuck that. Fucking a 9 baby. They wanna leave me alone, think when I can't calm me down with nothing. Do you know me tell him from day one me never wanna pit him. Me fucking a 9 pit him. You call him for big baby better so baby milk. Then either somebody a boom, 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 double tap. Can you do it? Hey, so we put the clay. Alright, so don't force my football. Force me to Queenie ball because you know you want ball. You know me no want ball. Me go through so much that me don't give a fuck. So you cannot force me to ball. It just have to happen naturally. Yeah? No, me cannot breathe. Me pussy all and chop out. Me throw acid in there. So I go and go breathe. I wish you the luck. Don't cry, Queenie. Oh, I won't cry. Time for my work with Silk. My always I work with Silk, I Silk now work with me. My business with Silk. I must in a menopause. Well, so, menopause have many stages and journeys. So when you're referring to menopause, that's something I said all the while. No, crying. Fuck off, I'll leave me alone and not give you. You hear me say me no want to force cry. And a two-face him have a three. You know him say 3-piece 31. That and a two-face a three that. Come, fling on in the chat. Me know me not get no girl my power, no boy my power. You hear that? Okay. That's why I'm so aggressive and protective. As I say, I'm say, it's alright, you know, still have me. You just combine me. Yeah, that's all me have because I don't like my business, you know. So no pay me for this disgrace life for no like Queenie, you're not tired. No me so crazy, no lazy man. Me not telling you what to do with them. Me not telling you say right now. This I wanna forget Rico now. I wonder if him gonna stay, if he run away from me, I run him down, if him a hide, if I'm him and calling Ghana, Mexico. Girl, whatever will be, will be. Me not have nothing for do. Cause them no book me. Me you know what, you know some soon stop come talk to you know. Yeah man. I don't hear. Me telling them mind me. Remember me not beg you nothing, you know. See my post the cash up there. Me not beg you nothing. Me telling them for work me out. Slave me. Me have enough use of energy, you know. $20,000 to be your what? Surrogate, but to surrogate you have to pay the bills until the baby born. Oh, you that do one surrogate forget the one baby? Him have to pay 20,000. After that, me in the year I say one baby. Maybe you know hear me say. If you spend a couple hours with my grandparents, I'm tired of them. Fuck that, the people them, I know that rude. I mean, I want to go like the rude that I mean. You understand? Colleen, I get famous. Colleen, you know me like you. Colleen, right now, if me see you, can't cut me a box. Because me remember you. Hey, who did that on the live yesterday when I say? Me and a girl watch matey and study matey and look at them picture and stalk them page or something. So me look at them and see them chat me and something. Me not even remember them and next time when me see them. Me no business with that girl, you know. No girl I don't threat to me, you know. Me no remember calling, and that's the God Almighty truth. Me I try remember if I want purple clothes she'd have or one purple and pink tight suit. If me say calling now. Khalid, I got cut me couple box. Khalid, me not like Queen of the greatest. Me carry upon the rascal, famous world. Eh? So Khalid, what you think I gonna get out of that now, baby girl? Poor Queenie. Me don't know Khalid page. When I go over, do we go ask, do we? Me don't know her page. And then yeah, me say from me dash up the girl and take down back the girl. Me don't remember nothing about the girl, and the girl say congratulations to her wedding. And she and Dewey have a good conversation because she Dewey show me. So, I don't know if Dewey promise her the cocky and through me I watch Dewey. Watch your cocks. True, I watch Dewey though, and she can't call, I must that. Like she said, no man. Because the last time I know you, that was on a good term. So why would you do that to your brethren, fam? You understand me, Colleen? Colleen, do not try to stop my grandma. Behave your little self, Colleen, man. Sure. You know you could have called to them and remember you made you hug up and take picture. Hey, me tell you about them girls, you know. You know the man, them general and trouble with them. Who send me money? Somebody send me £1.76. Oh, that's so nice. Thank you. It can buy water for quench my thirst. Colleen, you know you could actually see me get famous rah rah rah. I hear do it part of something. Your voice, when you hear do voice, it make your pussy clit jump. Yeah, I said, no, man. You know, me I go shut down Queenie. And you can't shut me down from a little bit. Right now, me I picture myself how I'm button play. A button beer, me there, a button beer, me I say, I want to get famous. I want to get big, me go wear long hair, me go be a hot girl. I eat now, Carly. So if my husband is my downfall and God say you have to have a downfall to see how strong he is. So I'm going to use that husband of yours to light up his mouth and done you. Just oh God, but I lie though. I love Queenie. Queenie fool. Who is Keisha? Most of the next one I do is chicks. Chick man, chick. Queenie love, oh you're grateful. Thank you. Sleeping with the enemy. And if I were sleep with the enemy, move on a pussy clot and not frighten me. Anything when I tell me, I tell Dewey, hey, when me there in England, before Dewey come up here, you know, when Dewey disappear from me for 6 days, you know, I'm write down 30 something. I'm write down all of them and say every word that I can think of, Dewey, come on, I need them. You can't answer me. You can't chat to me. King Mixup. Oh, King Mixup said Keisha is doing your girlfriend. I tell her, you ever tell her this, I'm going to do it for that Jamaica, Mr. Tig's girlfriend, Mr. Matey, so tell me Clyde. What you get £13 money? Thank you. Messi, beg the light. Messi, Mr. Matey, so tell me for Mr. Do is one cocky you have do it. Do not make the girl them trick you do it. I mean them one bash. When I look down the girl, everything on her right now, I don't tell do it them already. Do it just have to learn. You have to learn somewhere, somehow. Mr. Dewey, whether he's with me. Hey, you listen me get more money a while ago. Mr. Dewey, whether he's with me, yes or no. Remember say I'm my husband that you're married to me. So, if you know I'm break up your fellow girl and so the next girlfriend we're going to give a baby, she's going to discover you. With your bed a strip. I want name strip. No, a new bed, a 50-year-old bed. When me a 50, my bad. No screaming, mama, today. No, maybe next minute, my ball. You can't predict me. Don't tell me what you think I'm going to do. Look how my life. If you see no dirty blood clot like people don't fall and hear people dirty bungly. And then pussy clot book me. Then I marriage that. He said, it's marriage. You fucking jackass. It is marriage. Bad man, trainer married. Where you don't marry, I married. Every marriage of disgrace in that town, I hide it. So my man, them fuck off all on the pitney. Move on a dirty blood clot and I make my class on a nasty blood clot. Love me. Why mama cuss a laugh? Why am I laugh? Liar tricking baby father them. Me a bad girl, you know. Unan do and the girl, them, no can't bad me up. The whole on our blood clot either to feel like it. When they cry come test me. It's marriage. Move. Move, your little dirty self. It is marriage. It is a stupid, annoying fucking marriage, but it is marriage. London vibes swamp. And if you mind me, when you can't chat to me, watch little links from me. Little links don't mind me. One man to my good that I do it. London vibes. What happened?
Queen Wave,
What happened?
it's marriage. No, it's a happy marriage. Fuck off with them. Blood
I was good.
clot.
Never so stupid. I love foolishness. Me I tell you, like time when I bury my dirty blood clot. Me business with the dirty disgrace where I go, I'm still at. Me look good in my bed, and I'm put on my shirt, but I smell good. Ah, ah.
Me pro that too on. That more I'm telling you.
So me still proud I try to say, well, couldn't just have everything sweet and nice, so.
Couldn't work. Would never work. Want to say top of the night to each and every one on this live right now. Want to say big respect to all the people that's cheering for Queenie right now. But to all the dirty bad mind one them that don't like Queenie, that don't like, you know what? We still don't give a fuck. Yeah? Big up yourself as well.
Yeah, that's a response
Crazy.
to what my husband said. My cousin for someone, my husband, I be this girl. Anything on my mouth mind tell me for response to me. Now, see, yes, to do with sympathy me. So if doing a sympathy on me, Marty, me not sympathize with nobody. Anybody want trace, my trace, girl. So if you
Yo,
repeat it,
what?
I get to our money, we don't move.
To Roro in a real life. Yeah, man. R.I.P. Roro.
Eh?
You know me, I say R.I.P. Roro, you know? Your name still I for call every day, every
Yeah,
second.
but live body. We need a good long sleep. Do you don't care about you, not your feelings. I'm telling the son late.
Them thing would have segregate. So me
So
not
me not there
every
like a
weight.
heavyweight.
Poop
Your
in
name
the
for me,
neck.
and them some that frighten me.
Your name on my chest plate. Pussy hole. I think he done a idiot. I think a fool marriage. And my brother that him a no fool.
I'm a husband. Did I cry? Me hear everything. And the don't remind me, don't want yeah, I got cuss out to the dirty blood clot. Don't tell me nothing. One all listen
Yo,
out my business and then come and throw it
I
back in
want
the face.
to yo, June plum, you know, blood clot.
Please get you.
Yo, June plum, you know, easy, you know, June plum. High school, yo, go out there. Tell the boss me I'll call him. Tell the boss me I'll call him now.
All right, London, boys.
Love you more.
Queenie, I wish a back, Colleen box. Bex car she get, the piece that she get. Bumbo clan, me just get one more money. No, me not get for pussy clan. 60 over my head, but thank you now. All right, better talk it through. No, don't follow the way I type or something. We don't have no problem. We don't have the vice or wait, but something so rich and a dirty blood clot. And I said, look, come here over Queenie and laugh. That's the life going on. Here, why the car get me down? It's because I know life give. Nobody not give, do it. What's that? That's what you know. Yes. I'm gonna see if tomorrow right, I gonna kick them call in a class for you. Call in a class for me. Okay, Miss Class. All right, that girl call in. What's your calling friend that cost me? I'm husband just make that if I stretch it, give a call in. It's all right, me a trash. Call in a car. Everybody can be class, but me a queen and my aunt. Every blood clot also household have to talk about Queenie. And when you want court, Any court you want to go over Queenie Rascal name and you find it. I support and I strength and I move on a dirty ugly mind blood clot. Go ahead. On a mind dirty open a heart clean. I forgive you lot because you lot know what you done. I forgive you to do it. My business I don't know. Leave Blandine one daughter make she burn her split. What do I give her egg? What did I say about tell me to come in the cocky and do it yet, babe? Look forward to that tell me that. I'll me tell him so too. What my business to do it? How you miss you late, girl? They about to sit where God over here. They're over here, customer. Come help me, please. He wants a child. 100 people do it till we say what? Don't mind do it. So you go and go get them and look how much girl him fuck. Make them breed for you, man. Me look good do. Me sexy as fuck. Ah! Ah! Hot girl. Love the hotness. Me love the hotness, yes. Me love the hotness. I don't want to come rush me. And I'm not tired for rush me. I still see me. Still hot and look good. And that's how I feel me now. When I look at myself, I say, John, oh God, you blow some good ear in me.